Today's topic is From Arrival to Sightseeing, a Traveler's Journey.
This is part 1. The situation is preparing for immigration.
Luna, we finally made it to the United States.
I know, but I'm so nervous about the immigration officer.
Don't worry, my love. Just tell them the truth.
What if I don't understand their questions?
They will ask basic things like why you are here.
I should say for vacation, right?
Exactly. And they might ask where we are staying.
I have the hotel address printed out right here.
That's perfect. See, you're totally prepared.
How long do you think it will take?
It depends on the line, but we will meet at the baggage claim.
Okay, let's go over our plan once more.
First, we get our bags, then we find a SIM card.
I really need internet to check the maps.
After that, we will take a taxi to our hotel.
I'm feeling a bit better now. Thanks, Oliver.
You'll do great. I'll see you on the other side. Today's topic is From Arrival to Sightseeing, a Traveler's Journey.
This is part 2. The situation is passing the immigration counter.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport and customs form?
Good afternoon. Yes, here they are.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit to the USA?
I am here for a vacation with my boyfriend.
How long do you plan to stay in the country?
We will be here for 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying during your visit?
We are staying at a hotel in the city center.
Do you have a return ticket back to Spain?
Yes, I have it right here on my phone.
Are you carrying any food or agricultural products?
No, I don't have anything like that in my bag.
How much currency are you carrying with you?
I have about $500 in cash.
Please place your right hand on the scanner.
Like this?
Yes. Now look into the camera, please.
Okay, I am looking.
Everything looks good. Enjoy your stay in the United States.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Today's topic is From Arrival to Sightseeing, a Traveler's Journey.
This is part 3. The situation is meeting at baggage claim.
Luna, over here. How did it go?
It was much easier than I expected. The officer was nice.
See, I told you there was nothing to worry about.
I am just glad it is over. Now, which carousel is ours?
Our flight was from Madrid, so it should be number 5.
Oh, I see a bag that looks like mine already.
Let me grab that for you. Is this the one?
Yes, the red one with the yellow ribbon.
Got it. Now we just need to wait for my black suitcase.
There it is. It's coming around the corner now.
Great. Now that we have our luggage, let's find the SIM cards.
Do you know where the mobile service kiosks are?
I saw a sign for them near the currency exchange.
Should we get 2 SIM cards or just 1?
Let's get 2 so we can stay in touch if we get separated.
Good idea. My phone is already unlocked and ready.
Perfect. Let's head over there before the line gets long.
I am so excited to finally use my phone here.
Today's topic is From Arrival to Sightseeing, a Traveler's Journey.
This is part 4. The situation is getting a SIM card and cash.
Hello. We would like to buy 2 prepaid SIM cards, please.
Of course. We have a traveler's plan with unlimited data.
That sounds perfect. How do we install them?
I can do it for you. Just give me your phones for a moment.
Here you go. Are there any special settings we need to change?
No, it should work automatically once I restart the device.
How long is this plan valid for?
It lasts for 30 days from the moment of activation.
Great. Also, do you handle currency exchange here?
Yes, we do. What currency would you like to exchange?
I have some euros that I would like to change into US dollars.
The current rate is displayed on the screen behind me.
That looks fair. I would like to exchange 400 euros.
Certainly. I will need to see your passport for the transaction.
Here's my passport. Can I have some small bills too?
Sure. I will give you some 10s and 20s for tips.
Thank you. That is very helpful for our taxi ride.
You're welcome. Here is your cash and your phones.
Everything looks good. Thank you for your help. Today's topic is From Arrival to Sightseeing, a Traveler's Journey.
This is part 5. The situation is planning the first move.
Okay, we have our SIM cards and our cash.
Finally, now I can check our hotel location on the map.
The hotel is about 30 minutes away by taxi.
Should we go straight to the museum or the hotel first?
I think we should drop off these heavy bags at the hotel first.
You are right. I don't want to carry these around all day.
The hotel said we can leave our luggage even if the room isn't ready.
That's perfect. Then we can explore the city freely.
After the hotel, let's find a nice place for lunch.
I want to try a real American burger for our first meal.
Deal. I saw a famous burger joint near the hotel.
I am getting hungry just thinking about it.
Let's follow the signs to the official taxi stand.
Is it safe to take any taxi outside?
It's better to use the official line to avoid scams.
Good point. Look, the taxi stand is just through those doors.
Let's go. Our vacation is officially starting now. Today's topic is From Arrival to Sightseeing, a Traveler's Journey.
This is part 6. The situation is riding a taxi to the hotel.
Hello, could you take us to the Grand Central Hotel, please?
Sure thing. Throw your bags in the trunk and hop in.
Thank you. Is this a busy time for traffic?
It's a bit crowded, but we should get there in 30 minutes.
This is our first time visiting the United States.
Welcome. You have picked a great city to start with.
Do you have any recommendations for things to see?
You must visit the park near your hotel. It's beautiful now.
We were planning to go there tomorrow morning.
Also, try the local pizza place on 5th Street. It is the best.
That sounds delicious. We love trying local food.
Have you been to many other countries before?
Yes, we travel around Europe a lot, but this is a big trip.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful time here.
We are almost there, right? I see the hotel sign.
Yep, right around this corner. Here we are.
How much do I owe you for the ride?
That will be $45, please.
Here is 50. Keep the change for the great advice.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay at the Grand Central.
Today's topic is From Arrival to Sightseeing, a Traveler's Journey.
This is part 7. The situation is checking in to the hotel.
Good afternoon. I would like to check in, please.
Welcome. Do you have a reservation under a certain name?
Yes, it is under Oliver Garcia.
I found it. Could I see your ID and a credit card, please?
Here they are. Is our room ready yet?
It is. You are in room 402 on the 4th floor.
Great. What time is breakfast served in the morning?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the lobby restaurant.
Is there a gym or a pool in the hotel?
Yes, the gym is on the 2nd floor and the pool is on the roof.
Are there any specific rules we should know about?
Smoking is not allowed anywhere inside the building.
That's fine. Do you have free Wi-Fi for guests?
Yes, the password is printed on your keycard folder.
Thank you. Can we leave our bags here after we check out?
Absolutely. We have a secure luggage room for our guests.
Perfect. One last thing. Where is the nearest subway station?
It is just 2 blocks down the street to your left.
Thank you for all the information, Mila.
You are very welcome, Mr. Garcia. Have a wonderful stay.
Today's topic is From Arrival to Sightseeing, a Traveler's Journey.
This is part 8. The situation is starting the city tour.
Look at these tall buildings, Luna.
Everything looks so much bigger than in Spain.
It really does. I can't believe we are finally here.
The weather is perfect for walking around today.
Which way should we go first? The park or the shops?
Let's walk toward the main square and just see what we find.
I love the energy of this city already.
Me too. Everyone seems so busy and full of life.
Should we take a photo in front of that statue?
Definitely. We need to send some pictures to our families.
I'll ask someone to take a photo of both of us later.
Wait, let's use the selfie stick first.
Good idea. Smile. This is the start of a great adventure.
I am so glad we decided to come here together.
Me too. There is so much to see and do.
Let's just keep walking and get lost in the city.
That is the best way to explore. Lead the way.
Okay, let's turn right at the next corner and see what is there.
Pattern. English.